In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an autoresponder on Hostinger's H-panel, ensuring your emails are answered even when you're away. Whether you're out of the office, on a break, or simply want a seamless way to manage your email communications, autoresponders make it easy. Let's dive right into the process and set everything up with ease and efficiency. First, we'll begin by logging into your Hostinger H-panel account. This is where all the backend magic happens. Head over to Hostinger and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard filled with various features and options. Don't get overwhelmed by the multitude of icons. We'll focus on just a few key elements today. Next, navigate towards the email section. You'll find it prominently displayed in the menu. Click on email and then look for a sub option that says autoresponders. This will be the section where we'll set up the automatic replies. Think of it as the command center for all response automation, ready to handle your communication needs while you focus on other pressing matters. Once inside the autoresponders section, look for a button labeled Add Autoresponder. Go ahead and click on that. This action will prompt a new window to appear, allowing you to customize your autoresponder settings. It's like setting up your own personal assistant, tailored to your specific requirements. Now it's time to fill in the details for your autoresponder. Start with the email address field. This is where you'll input the address associated with the autoresponder. Next, move on to the subject line. Here, you'll want something catchy but informative, letting the recipient know immediately that it's an automated response and why. And then we have the message content. This is your space to shine, so craft a message that's both informative and personable. Whether it's for vacation notice or simply acknowledging the receipt of an email, think about what best represents your brand or personal style. After crafting your message, you'll set the interval for the autoresponder. This is how frequently you want this response to be sent to the same email address. For example, should the same sender receive this autoresponder every time they contact you? Or should there be a one-day buffer? Consider what makes sense for your workflow and choose accordingly. Finally, once everything looks good and you've reviewed your settings, it's time to save and activate your autoresponder. Simply hit the Save button and hey presto, your automatic replies are now live and ready to manage your emails in your absence. And there you have it, a fully functional, personalized autoresponder set up on your Hostinger H panel. This handy tool will ensure your communication stays flowing even when you're not around. Remember, efficient email management not only saves you time, but also enhances professionalism and trust with those who contact you. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!